We are in front of a pretty interesting new van called the Kyros 7, with a pretty different layout rather than the standard. Big dinette area where you can fold down this actual table and make a fourth or fifth bed. Pretty nice and wide. And then we will be getting on that part. First checking actual kitchen storage unit and the drawers with one bigger sink and two gas stoves. On this part we have one, two, and actually three pretty good sized cabinets, and on the upper part we have the actual Thetford fridge. Under it there is the standard storage space, and from this side we have this pretty unique bathroom area. So I will be entering and actually checking where you can actually close yourself and have a self-dressing unit bathroom with a Thetford cassette toilet, a lot of storage spaces, a great mirror to check yourself, and then on the other side the shower. So you can self-enclose yourself inside the shower and get a pretty private space. And then if you open from the back, there is the space with two bunk beds of 80 centimeters for your kids to sleep. Pretty amazing. This is pretty hard to film, but it should be pretty understandable. And getting out, checking also the pop-up roof with the additional bed on top. Getting out, and we will be checking again the back side of this new Kyros 2025 model. And this is the back side. So we have a pretty understandable bed of the size of 0.8. So on the widest part, the lower bed is 1.8. Measuring the upper bed, we are looking at about 1.6 almost at the widest part, and also there should be the same size, slightly smaller, but depends on where you measure it. The bed for smaller kids on the back, and there is also a pretty good amount of storage space on the lower part. Getting around to get another look and final look of this Kyros 7 Vantastic campervan with pop-up roof. Let's get another look from this side with this new Fiat Ducato front chassis. That's the model for the 2025.